brother.
Kara, we want to talk to you.
We wanted to apologize.
Okay.
We've been really neglectful.
We've been so consumed with your campaign that we haven't even focused on the person that matters most. This event is in your honor, and we haven't even included any of your hospital friends.
I don't have any friends here.
What about Emma? We were just talking with her about you.
You were talking to Emma about me behind my back?
Well, not behind your back.
Okay,
You're
stop it,
misunderstanding.
Kara. I mean, don't let your jealousy ruin what could ultimately be a very beneficial relationship. If anything, you should strive to be a bit more like Emma. She's poised, smart, she pulls off those chic hats. She could be exactly what you need to appeal to that stupid transplant board.
You have got to be kidding me.
48 hours into labor, I knew that kid was going to be a problem.
The only thing hard